Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Jeep Wrangler JL wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Now, locate the small release tab on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. Once you've located the tab, press it firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook arm. It should come off with a gentle pull. After removing the blade, carefully lower the wiper arm onto the towel you placed on the windshield. This prevents any accidental damage to the glass. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any sudden impacts. Once both blades are replaced, turn on your Jeep's wipers and spray some washer fluid to test their operation. Ensure they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly. You've successfully changed your wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.